32. Third down.
I got that.
Williams' pass is complete.
Short.
To Bobby Fisher. Stopped by number 4, Mike Pencil. Ball up to 38. Fourth down.
Yeah, punt this for Milton. Keep it one score heading into halftime, hopefully.
Patterson formation for Milton.
There's too many men on the field for Milton or something. Yeah, it's on Milton. There's too many men or procedure or something. I don't know why that kid ran onto the field. Punt return for a touchdown. It's 21-14 now. It's 27-14. The extra point to come. That was a killer for Milton right before halftime. Looks like a score here. Extra point. Up and good.
1:29 to go, second quarter. 28, Milton, 14.
I picked you up in a while. It's started the fourth quarter, 34-14 Mount Carmel. Milton just hit a big play, switched ends. It's first and 10 from the 16. Big hit. Milton's killed himself in this game. Procedure penalties give them Mount Carmel first downs on fourth down. Drops. The game is out of hand a little bit. It shouldn't be. But a whole quarter left. See if they can punch it in here. Had it. Caught. Touchdown.
Did you have football?
One was good. 34-21. 11 minutes to go in the fourth. So Milton's defense can do. Well, this one's about over. This one is over. 41-21. 6 minutes left. Milton just turned it over on down, so that's pretty much it. Milton's gonna fall to 3-6. Deep. That's PI, asshole. Apparently. Milton's going to fall to 3-6. Mount Carmel's going to improve to 6-3, I believe.
Last pass intended for Jake Adams. Incomplete.
Rivalry Friday coming up next Friday here in the Valley, here in the area. Week 10. He's touchdown. Week 10 next Friday. Rivalry weekend.
Out of bounds at about the 3.
He pushed him out at the 3, so it's 1st and goal.
Actually, 2-yard line. 1st and goal. Mount Carmel.
Oh, he's in.
And off to Ricky for the Mount touchdown. Two-yard line for Ricky.
Extra point. Good. 48-21 Mount Carmel. 5:52 to go in the game. This one's over.
Some other updated scores on the social show is 48. Royal Sox 7. Warrior run 30. Central Columbia 12. Fourth quarter.
back and don't have the ball. Might end this one, guys. This one's over. It's 48-21 with 5:50 to go. So Malcolm was going to win. I'm going to end this here. So long from Milton, PA. We'll see you next Friday. Rivalry Friday. We'll either be in Lewisburg at Bucknell again for the old Brown Jug game between Lewisburg and Mifflinburg, or be in Mount Carmel for the Cool Bucket battle between them and Shamokin, who now 9-0, so we'll be at one of those two locations. Thanks for watching. See you guys next week.